Before you throw out those pants that you know the elastic has kind of gone at the waistband, or maybe it's a purse that you've kind of become bored with, or any other items that you want to really update, I have 5 fashion hacks for you today, and they're really easy to incorporate and really update your wardrobe. So let's get going and start with tip number 1. You've got stretchy pants that with all that wearing are getting really loose around the waistband. Well, many of us like to have these pants under our tops since we don't want to show our bellies so much. But if we put a big buckle belt on it, well, it'll look weird. So here's a great hack to the rescue. These no buckle stretchy belts are your answer. And you get 4 of them in different colors for just $15. Now I don't have to pull up my pants all the time, and I can still keep these great pull-on stretch pants in my closet. This is a great way to keep those favorite pants fitting and available for regular wearing. And as usual, I'll have most of the handy hack items that I'm showing you today underneath the video description and also in the first comment. And of course, if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, you're going to find my favorite stretchy pants there, and skirts and tops, all kinds of different items. But for now, let's look at tip number 2, and it's how to update an old purse. You're kind of bored with an old purse, but how can you love it again? Well, how about switching out the boring strap for a beautiful chain? And this snap-on chain is just $8 and also comes in bronze and silver finishes. I also find this handy with purses that I actually still love, but need an upgrade for a wedding or another fancy event. And don't forget to stay until the end of this video, where once again I'm going to have an inspirational message for you. And this one is really important to me, so I really hope you stick around for that. But for now, we're on tip number 3, and this is a way to bring new life to old sweaters and cardigans. Let's take a look. Does this happen to you? You go to grab a sweater or a cardigan and it's got those little fur balls all over it. Well, before you throw that sweater out, watch this. These are major fur balls, and watch how easily I can get rid of them with this handy gadget from Conair for just $13. It's battery operated and a fabric shaver that's specially made to remove fuzz and pilling. And as I just showed you, it's great on sweaters, but also works on upholstery too. And if you like styling and fashion tips like this one, don't forget to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere. And also, it's very important that you click on the notification bell, because if you don't, you probably won't see my newest video. Now, a minute ago, I showed you a purse upgrade, but if the inside of your purse is an absolute disaster and a mess, I have a solution for you. This is a way that you can keep everything orderly and in its place, and even switch purses around in a couple of seconds. So it's my tip number 4. It's a purse organizer. And you can now dump everything out of your old purse and organize it like this. And it's just $14 and comes in a variety of colors. I never knew that something like this existed. And if I want to change purses, I just pull it out and place it in my other purse. Genius. Here's a question for you. Do you have necklaces that you've had since you were younger, or maybe you inherited them? And hey, our necks do seem to grow as we grow older, right? And now they're just too tight for you. Well, I have a styling hack that will bring those necklaces right out of the jewelry box again. Let's take a look. Did you know that there are necklace extenders out there? And you get 10 of them in various colors and sizes in gold and silver. And they're just $8. I truly can't wear a necklace that's too tight. And these extenders are perfect for those situations or others where, because of a neckline, I might want to layer necklaces perfectly as shown here, or drop the necklace to fit the neckline. Another genius invention. And now for the inspirational message, and it's all about my videos and moving forward and how I'm going to be creating them in the future. Most of you have been with me for a very long time, and I absolutely love this community at Loving Our Age. But after 8 years of doing videos every single week, I never missed a week, I know that I'm growing, and I also know that you're growing too. I know that I want to continue to help you look good on the outside with fashion and beauty, but my heart has been longing to do videos for you that, I want to mix them up a little bit and put some videos in for helping you with confidence and lifestyle, and even throw in some of my life choices, such as, what I do around the home, what I'm eating, that sort of thing. Last week, I was so proud to show you our backyard, because it started as an ugly backyard, and then we did 14 makeover things to turn it into kind of a mini resort oasis. But I gotta tell you, I was so disappointed because hardly anybody watched that video. And I don't know, maybe the algorithm didn't send it to you. I'm not too sure, but I really hope that you are inspired by some of these. And they're just going to be maybe every 2 weeks or so that I'm going to put the inspirational ones in. And by the way, if you did miss that backyard one, because we worked really hard on it, I would love you to watch it. I'm going to, you can just go back into my videos on this platform and you can find it. Or I'm also going to put it on the end screen of this video. My hope is that these random videos will really help you on your aging journey. And I really hope that you stick with me and, that you stay on this platform with me, because again, we're all growing together, and I really want to help you look good on the outside, but feel great and confident on the inside too. And of course, if you feel like it, let me know in the comments that you will stick with me. And maybe you have an idea or two of what you'd like to see as an inspirational video. And I'm certainly going to take it into consideration. And by the way, I'm so grateful if you do stick with me. My soul just lights up when I shared, how I would share an inspirational message at the end of the video for fashion or beauty, and you would say, oh my gosh, that really, really touched my heart, or it really resonated with me, because I know that aging is not all lollipops and roses, and sometimes you want to see something different and not just how to wear a dress every month. I hope that you'll stay here and be part of this community that really reflects an aging journey. And of course, I'm going to be showing you trends and, maybe fall, spring, summer outfits, and just inspire you that way. But I really hope you're inspired by my messages as well, and that we can share this community and each other together. And for me, oh my gosh, it just warms my heart, because it's just another way to be loving our age.